Hello guys, it's Gilbert Raju Biswas from Bangladesh. I'm here today to explain myself or describe myself just for Upwork introduction or intro about myself. I have been doing telemarketing, cold calling, appointment setting, and virtual assistant job in Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer since 2016. I mean, end of 16. But let me tell you something about myself. I have completed my MBA in accounting. Before becoming a full-time telemarketer, I was a video editor. I have worked in a TV station for a couple of years, more than 5 years as a full-time video editor. So I have good experience in computer, video editing, graphics design. When I was doing this type of job, I feel myself that I can do different skill as well. So I have worked in a call center for a year. Then I have started by myself since 2016 end of November. So 1st of December I have started from my home, and since then I have been working in Upwork, and I have completed a lot of projects in Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer. And I have worked with a lot of investors around the US, a lot of lenders, a lot of business funding company. So that's it. For more details, you can go through my Upwork profile, or we can talk on phone. Thank you so much. Have a great day.